Today's topic is transportation in human beings. Earlier, we have read about the various components of transportation or the various components of human circulatory system. We have read about blood, the carrier which carries oxygen, which carries food components, and we have read about blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries, their components and their importance. Now the third component of human circulatory system is heart. Before discussing the functioning of heart, let's just discuss about the structure of heart. This is what the internal structure of heart. This heart consists of human heart. This human heart consists of four chambers. Upper two are called as atria and lower two are called as ventricles. The upper two are also called as receiving chambers and lower two are also called as distributing chambers. तो आपके ऊपर वाले जो दो चैम्बर्स हैं दैट मीन्स एट्रियम यानी लेफ्ट एट्रियम और राइट एट्रियम, ये होते हैं रिसीविंग चैम्बर्स. दैट मीन्स ब्लड फ्रॉम रेस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी come and get received at the atria. And lower two chambers yani left ventricle and right ventricle, these two are the distributing chamber. यानी ब्लड अगर हाथ से बाहर जाएगा तो इन्हीं चैम्बर्स के थ्रू ही जा सकता है. सो लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल, दैट मीन्स द लोअर चैम्बर्स आर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग चैम्बर्स. नाउ second key point to note is that left part of the heart yani left atrium and left ventricle always have oxygenated blood, but the right portion of the heart that means right atrium or right ventricle इसमें हमेशा deoxygenated blood रहता है. So overall there are four chambers, each are separated by septums. Upper two are atrium, left atrium and right atrium. Lower two are ventricles, left ventricle and right ventricle. Okay, now let's discuss about the functioning of heart. First of all, oxygenated blood, that means oxygen rich blood from lungs. अब आपको पता है lungs is the source of oxygen to our body. So blood from the lungs which is oxygenated comes to left atrium with the help of pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein जैसा कि मैं पिछली वीडियो में बता चुकी हूँ, pulmonary vein is the vein which carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. तो pulmonary vein के थ्रू oxygenated blood lungs से कहाँ पहुँचता है? Left atrium. And as soon as the left atrium contracts, left ventricle expands. तो आपका blood left atrium से left ventricle में आ जाता है. Now left ventricle will contract and blood from the left ventricle will go to the rest part of the body with the help of main artery which is aorta. Okay, तो main artery जो क्या है aorta, वो आपका blood left ventricle से कहाँ पहुँचाएगी? Rest body parts तक. Now this is oxygenated blood which will reach to the body parts. Now our body will use that blood, will use that oxygen and it will become deoxygenated. Now this deoxygenated blood from rest of the body parts will be collected by vena cava which is main vein. So vena cava which collects the blood which is deoxygenated from rest of the body and it brings the blood back to the heart. Now again receiving chamber is right atrium. तो राइट एट्रियम में आपका डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड पूरी बॉडी से पहुंचेगा एंड एज सुन एज द राइट एट्रियम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स ब्लड विल रीच टू राइट वेंट्रिकल. नाउ राइट वेंट्रिकल विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड ब्लड विल गो टू द लंग्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. अब आपका ब्लड राइट वेंट्रिकल से कहाँ जाएगा? लंग्स तक, बिकॉज आपको पता है लंग्स में ही ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा. तो ऑक्सीजन के लिए ये ब्लड अब कहाँ जाएगा? बैक टू लंग्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ पल्मोनरी आर्टरी. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द वे सर्कुलेशन एंड विच वी कॉल एज डबल सर्कुलेशन इन ह्यूमन बींग्स टेक प्लेस. there is one circulation जो आपका लेफ्ट पार्ट में हो रहा है where oxygenated blood is circulated, and another which is going through the right portion of the heart. So therefore we call it double circulation in human beings. Now again important thing to note that this double circulation is very important for warm blooded animals or the higher animals or the mammals and birds. Why? Because this prevent mixing of blood. This prevent mixing of blood which leads to the sufficient oxygen supply to all parts of the body. अब आपको पता है मैमल्स है या ह्यूमन बींग्स है, दैट मीन्स आपके और एनिमल्स है एंड बर्ड्स विच आर वार्म ब्लडेड, दे नीड टू मेंटेन देयर बॉडी टेम्परेचर. बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करने के लिए उन्हें क्या चाहिए? एनर्जी, और एनर्जी के लिए सफिशिएंट ऑक्सीजन. सो ये मिक्सिंग से क्या होता है? ऑक्सीजनेटेड और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड अलग अलग रहता है एंड आवर बॉडी पार्ट्स get the sufficient oxygen supply which help us to maintain body temperature as well as to do our life processes, to do our body functions properly. So therefore this separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in mammals or in warm blooded organisms is very important. Thank you.